Alright, mga Ka-Swabe, mayong hapon sa inyong tanan, no? Kag sa subong nation, ato ni test drive
Setback
for
first.
the very first time ang BYD Tang.
High-end.
Okay, high-end ni siya mga Ka-Swabe, no? So ibutan ko lang ang variant niya. Ano to po yung variant nito, ma'am?
Isa lang variant si Tang.
Ah, okay.
Amo ni ang pinaka-high-end natin. So the SRP is 3,321,000.
Wow.
Yeah. Pag na tayo ni sold agad.
Grabe na. So we have different types of modes. So
May massage chair pa na, sir.
Yes.
yeah, oh wow. So let me adjust the seat first for a while for my driver's perspective. Okay.
It's okay. Naka-hazard naman na.
Okay. So here we go. Let me adjust the steering wheel. Okay. Naka-powered siya. Let me adjust the first. Alright. Okay, so again, what's your name, ma'am? Ma'am Mary Joy. And si Sir JM.
Si, kilala
As
mo ba?
always. Oh, siya upod ko gali sa test drive sang E-Max 7, no. So okay, lock. Okay, so ito mga Ka-Swabe, start naton ang pag-arangka sang bag-o nga BYD Tang. Right. So, eco muna ha. Eco muna.
Tulog na lang mo din. May massage chair pa.
Massage chair. Okay, yes. So, standard na siya. And also, may sa heads-up display, no? Very convenient. So, expected traffic subong because today is Saturday. I like the chime, no? Well invited. Very inviting gid ang iyang chime. Yeah,
Yes.
also the steering is actually quite impressive. Very soft. Not as soft as like a fluffy bread, but it's lightly soft siya.
It's kinda soft like a jelly.
Yeah.
Sounds like that, you know.
Pero
And
ang
of course, you can open also the sunroof. Hi, BYD.
Hello.
Open sunroof.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Okay ba? Sa ako hindi ka pati na, be. Wow!
Oh,
Wow!
It's very nice.
Yeah. Namin ako mag-miss yun ni Burst, no? Tapos saka lang siya, di kag mag-ano.
Oo.
No? Tindog, mo stand siya, kaway-kaway. Wow!
Grabe pang ano niya, arangkada, 3.3.
Yung,
Serviceman.
gani. Believe ka na, ma'am.
Actually, first time ko.
Hi, BYD. Ay, ikaw. You try it.
Okay. Hi BYD.
Yes?
Close sunroof.
All right.
Takot sa'yo. Tinakot mo eh.
I think the voice command has a good response to that, no? And actually, I like this make it more
Sure. Here are some things you can say.
cancel.
Got it.
Okay. So let's see how this car drives on the normal road. I think ma-seatbelt ka, ma'am, sa likod. You can detect here.
Parang niya may kapungko man, oh. Tapos need mo seatbelt.
Yeah. Now, ano?
Sensitive eh.
Sensitive din siya. Now, I could really imagine how this BYD Tang drives. It's very smooth, no? And it feels like it runs like absolute butter, and you don't hear any grunt. It's obviously electric, as always, kidya. And you can detect here, according to the yung okay, may blind spot pa. Kapag ganun, okay? Alright. Okay, so verification. And you can read the mileage, no? And the speed limit is up to 30. Very sweet siya, no? And the aircon is quite cold, no? And the interior, as I see here, it's very inviting. Wow. To be honest with you, the materials are nice and soft. The materials are great. Some kind of black accents that really gives a good balance, no? Sa yung interior. In the seats itself, oh my god. The leather seats are nice and comfy. How much more if you activate the massage seats and the ventilation. It's a big different story. It's a very different story, mga Ka-Swabe. I'm telling you, with the 3 million pesos, you could get this you can get this for your family, your friends. Wow. How much more if you are in a single charge? You can cost less than you're going on a gasoline engine. Hamak mo. If I could imagine this, if this car is a gasoline, siguro po tantabi 3.5 V6, 2.0, 2.4 liter engine, 2.5 liter gasoline engine with a turbocharge. I mean, mapagas mo siya for at around 3,000. Okay, maybe that's but at around 3,000 pesos. Imagine kung kung i-charge mo siya, kung ma-consume mo at around let's just say butang tabi mga 700 pesos. I mean, that's a big difference, no? Now, overall, I could say the BYD Tang has a good steering response, nice feel, riding comfort.
Sunod dito, sir, sa left side.
Sa left side, alright. So that's
Sa parking na the diretso.
okay. So alright, so
Dire ka. Bawi ka tayo dito.
Bawi.
Tapos pasok tayo dito.
Alright, para sure.
Ayan. Sige. Okay. Dito na. Sa code.
Okay.
Hindi ka lang sa gutter, baka mahaba na tayo.
Okay.
Automatic na sold.
Okay, all good.
Okay.
Solve yung...
Na-sold. Ever.
Sold? Oho.
Sold.
Yes.
Yes.
Sana
Right,
ma-sold.
sir. Diba,
Okay.
sir?
Si Mr. Swabe na bahala dyan.
Yeah.
Malaki na sahod sa ano yan eh. YouTube eh. Diretso yan, sir. Sige.
Okay. Wow.
Sige, straight ahead.
Now we're
Now we have
Sige,
still
forward.
line 6.
Yan, dyan tayo.
okay. I will. Okay.
Forward.
Forward.
Ayan.
Wow.
Park papasok.
Okay.
We're all good. Okay.
Good. All right.
Then, you know how to park, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just all you need to do, just put P
Park.
and then.
Wow. Exactly. Perfect. Amazing.
Okay.
So, how's the drive?
Okay, before I end this video, no, I would like to say that the interior of this car is very inviting. Look at this ambient lightings.
Ay,
Oo.
no. Nag-glow pala, no?
Nag-glow siya.
It will sync with music.
It was
Sisig sa music mo.
Yes.
Sino ko na lang?
and also the
It will sync and also you can adjust what color.
Try nga. Real.
okay. Now for the controls itself, no, it's very responsive. Okay, thank you, sir. Very responsive, and all these are very self-explanatory. Who wants to go to Tesla? Not me. Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model X. I'd rather choose this one over to Tesla. Hamak mo Tesla is like a more expensive one, although it comes with American brand. I would say I would prefer for this one because it's very self-explanatory, very simple setup, but elegance here inside is absolutely spot on, which I really like about it. And also, sort of like a Mercedes-Benz. You know? Mercedes-Benz, Audi, even the shifter. I really like about the shifter because it reminds me of Audi. The seats are really nice. No? How I wish to drive this in a long distance trip. No? But eventually we are in a tech tour. Muna nanay. So muna mga kaswabe, no. Muna na ito nga test drive subong. Pasalamat kita kay Ma'am Mary Joy kag si Sir JM. Nag-upod ko na sa sang kagapon sang IMAX 7. Oo. So bali mga kaswabe, muna anay subong ang aton nga test drive for the BYD Tang. And I really guarantee you that this is a far more the best car that you could ever drive because of its comfort, the drivability, and the comfort for everything. Alright? So, madamo kining salamat mga kaswabe sa inyong pagtanaw. Thank you for watching and ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, mama.
Alright.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you so much.
Ako na mag-park. Yeah.
Wow. What a great journey.